Hey, how's it going, folks? Welcome to Crypto Growth. This is your host, Shazib, signing in. Is XDC Network better than Ethereum? This is the question we're going to try and unpack in this video, so stay tuned. We're going to try and analyze this. For those of you that are new to the channel, we discuss about utility coins, ISO20022 compliant coins, and the coins that have the potential to become ISO20022 compliant in the future, as well as some other interesting coins. So make sure to subscribe if you're interested in any of that, and stay tuned. Anyways, let us begin the video with the price of Ethereum in the yearly chart. So basically, the Ethereum rose from its December levels, 19 December 2022. It was priced at around 1,184. It had a rally up. It broke this resistance. It went up to almost 2,120. It came back down. It's tested the support level, and it is still in the price discovery range at the moment. Now let us check out the price of XDC Network in the yearly chart at around 8 December 2022. It's the same time that Ethereum had its rally. XDC Network also rose above, and it went all the way from 0.020 to all the way to almost 0.090. So it was a huge move. It came back down. It's like Ethereum, it's in the price discovery mode. If you look at the overall chart, you can see this is the support level over here in these levels. So it might come and test 0.047, and let's see if it breaks it and goes to 0.0445. It is to be seen. Anyways, let us move ahead. So when comparing XDC network with Ethereum, oftentimes Ethereum is disrespected, it is degraded in the crypto community, especially the ones that analyze utility coins. So we have to give our due respect to Ethereum, as well as it has the first mover advantage as well, and it has had its share of influence on the crypto market. It has become big. It is the second coin behind Bitcoin in terms of market cap. So in that regards, let us give it respect. It has become a big brand. But does any of that make it better than XDC network? So yeah, if we compare current market cap, the market cap is obviously better than XDC network at the moment. So if we compare the technology and the potential of the future, then we're going to see whether XDC network is better than Ethereum or not. We're going to come up with a concrete answer in the end of the video, so stay tuned. So this is an article I found. XDC, is it the ultimate Ethereum rival? Stocks Telegraph. Blockchains have flooded the market with okay. What is XDC? XDC powers the Xinfin network, which is a delegated proof-of-stake consensus network with hybrid capabilities. It is essentially an interoperable blockchain designed for the global trade and finance industry. The network provides digitization, tokenization, and settlement of trade transactions through the blockchain technology, which boosts the efficiency of the market. In this first statement, we see that XDC network is much more than just a smart contract platform. It is using a blockchain which has the capability to build new projects like GBEX or XSwap and PLI. It is much more than that. It is revolutionizing global trade and finance industry. It is ISO 20022 compliant. It meets the standard and whatnot. It has the flexibility and easier liquidity management for financial institutions. It is an optimal solution for financial institutions to hop into. Is XDC better than Ethereum? The XDC network regards itself as the third generation of blockchains as it combines the power of public and private blockchains with interoperable smart contracts. While Ethereum can process 12 to 16 transactions per second, Xinfin, a network, allows capabilities for more than 2000 TPS. Transactions are confirmed in approximately 2 seconds on the blockchain, with while Ethereum takes 10 to 20 seconds. Moreover, the average fee is $0.401 USD on Xinfin, while Ethereum charges $10 on average, with the fee crossing $50 during peaks. The energy consumption of the XDC network is also much lower than the most blockchains, as it focuses on sustainability. Future outlook: XDC Network is an enterprise ready open source protocol with the aim of increasing interoperability through smart contracts, all the while focusing on environmental sustainability, which would be a huge thing in the future with all the environmental movements taking place, climate friendly movements, and whatnot. And it is enterprise ready. So enterprises would opt to use XDC network instead of Ethereum. Being an Ethereum competitor is not easy, and Xinfin has a long way to go to skirt even near the second largest cryptocurrency. That is what I was talking about, that we should give due respect to Ethereum as well, which is oftentimes not given. As whatever the case, whether it's slow, it's costly, or whatever, it still is the second largest cryptocurrency in the market at the moment. It is a brand. Anyways, has the potential. It has the better technology to basically maybe one day even outgrow Ethereum. Who knows? And I think it would in the future when enterprises and financial institutions tap into the crypto market and Zenfin takes over trade finance. It might see exponential growth in the future market cap wise. Anyways, that being said, this does not mean that XTC token does not have potential. Yeah, it has. It definitely does have potential. Obviously, yes. It does. Moreover, Zenfin also operates within the specific niche of global trade and finance, while Ethereum is a generalized blockchain. Yeah, this is a big advantage and edge to Zenfin. It has a specific niche of global trade, and global trade is like trillions of dollars. Like it's truly big. Obviously, it has that edge. Why is XDC network inevitable for the blockchain industry? This is an extremely interesting article. Xinfin XDC network has essentially many live applications. Xinfin built a global network that links users to marketplaces featuring decentralized applications, dApps. These dApps, moreover, execute unparalleled efficiency, security, and user control. In addition, it has also easier mechanisms compared to other networks like Ethereum. So it is better. It has the better usage, as it is easier to use. It has easier mechanisms than Ethereum, making its users smoothly and quickly build applications on top of XDC. In fact, these advantages made it known as the Ethereum Killer. This term, I do not like to use terms like a crypto killer or what. Every blockchain or every technology has its place in the crypto market. Yeah, it might overtake it someday, but Ethereum has done its, like I said, it has done its part to build crypto market and make it renowned among people and the masses. So we should respect that as well. Anyways, because compared to Ethereum, Zenfin is better in many aspects, like it is quicker in transaction speed and near zero gas fees. Zenfin has a lot of use cases. The first is Storex. These are the projects that are built on the XDC network. Storex plugin, yeah, WhatsPay, I've mentioned it a lot. I'm going to be covering this coin in the future as well, as this has huge potential. Globines has huge potential as it is the crypto bank. So basically, it has huge projects launched in the network. Xinfin XDC Network is undervalued. XDC Network is an enterprise-ready hybrid blockchain technology company optimized for international trade and finance. Xinfin will also be fully interoperable with the ISO 20022 standard. You guys can check it out. ISO 20022 is the minimum standard that the banks and the financial institutions would have to comply to, the messaging standard that needs to be complied. It would be triggered in 2025, November 2025. So XDC in this regards as the first mover advantage in comparisons to Ethereum, where institutions would involve in it. There are more than 100 institutions and individuals participating on the network, with a total of 1.96 billion XDC being staked in the network. Okay, all projects on XDC network are independent and open source. There are 20 plus independent projects on actively and XDC Network's partnerships are overwhelming. This is the one that I needed to stress on. Xinfin's XDC Network, the first blockchain company to join global TFD initiative. TFD initiative provides the most comprehensive set of trade distribution capabilities. Xinfin's XDC network on TFD initiative enables to bridge the US dollar 19 trillion trade finance asset class with any type of funder through tokenization and digital assets. Tokenization in itself is a huge industry which is to grow to almost 16 trillion dollars in 2030. So, and the trade finance, the XDC network is to bridge trade finance that is US dollar 19 trillion. So you can see the potential of XDC network in terms of disruption of a multi-trillion dollar industry, a market. This is going to be huge. Being ISO20022 compliant, having real-time use cases, this is truly undervalued, and it is doing things that Ethereum, in short, cannot do. With its obsolete technology, obviously, it has that market cap, that value, but besides that, in other regards, XDC is miles ahead of it, to be fair, honest. Anyways, XDC Network's development progress is excellent. 2 years after launching in 2019, XDC has smart contract functionality. Okay. It is rising exponentially. Xinfin XDC network has a long-term investor base. This is also interesting, using into the block's definition of long-term, longer than 1 year. More than 75% of Xinfin holders are long-term holders compared to 63% for Ethereum. There is no doubt as a huge inflow in the XDC network supporters invested in the recent months. So this is the article which dates back to 2021. So if we look at current developments, Xinfin is even developing at a faster pace at the moment. It is much more environmental friendly. You can check this out. XDC network was Ethereum 2.0 explained. Why proof of stake? Okay, let us move ahead. Xinfin. Yes, you can check this out. This is the image I was looking for. Ethereum 2.0 versus XDC. Features: total supply, market cap 183 billion, 384 million. Block time 10 to 20 seconds. Block time 2 seconds. From proof of work to proof of stake. Yes, in September 22, Ethereum 2.2 emerged. XDC no running stable on proof of stake since 4 years, live since September 2022, yes, June 2019. KYC enabled the masternode. No, yes, you can check this out. The transferred value, the cost of both networks, the transaction cost of Ethereum transferred around $43.87. It's cost around 0.44, and XDC transfer value was $270 almost, and transaction cost is $0.1234560165375. So it is a lot cheaper. It is efficient. The merger will result in a 0.2% reduction in global electricity usage. The energy use of the Ethereum merge is lowered by 99.95%, but not by less than XDC network. Ethereum merge has lowered its global electricity use by 99.95%, but still XDC network's consumption is 0.000074, or nearly 99.99%, much lower than Ethereum, I guess. And the XDC network is much more environmentally sustainable in the blockchain, and its transactions are still less expensive than Ethereum 2.0. So it is better in this regards as well. This is yet another article: Xinfin XDC blockchain network, the new Ethereum killer. Reports say that XDC Network, through community engagement, expanded upon its predecessor's vision for a scalable, decentralized ecosystem. XDC Network is used for several innovative applications in trade finance, remittances, and other decentralized infrastructure use cases like storage, encrypted email, tokenization, stablecoin deployment, and price oracles. Therefore, many people have come to regard XDC Network as the new Ethereum killer. So XDC Network is better in a lot of areas. It is tapping into huge markets, trillions of dollars of market. It is ISO20022 compliant. It is still undervalued. People are still discovering this coin. Enterprises and financial institutions are yet to tap into its capabilities, its use case, and yet to have to fully reach its true potential. So basically, it's extremely undervalued. But in terms of potential, in terms of the future market cap, XDC network has the potential to dethrone Ethereum. Obviously, it is not going to be an easy task. This is for sure. Ethereum has had its the XDC network is going to have its uh, moment as well, the struggling moments as well, the grinding parts as well. But in the end, if you look at the ecosystem, the technology, we can see that it is much better than Ethereum, as the title of the video suggests, that XDC network is going to be much more faster, much more efficient, much more enterprise friendly, much more secure. It's going to be much, in my opinion, much better than Ethereum in the future as well, is because it's going to be developing at a tremendous pace. It's going to be tokenizing a lot of assets. So you guys can see, even using EVM compatible XDC network, it has a lower transaction cost. It is KYC enabled. It has a KYC enabled masternode, uses XDPOS consensus. It is energy efficient. It has a high execution speed, EVM compatible. So in terms of innovation, Ethereum doesn't come close to XDC network. So as I said, that I would consolidate my statement and give a shed answer that whether XDC network is better than Ethereum or not. So in my opinion, the answer is yes, because it is tapping into the markets that Ethereum with its obsolete technology has no chance to tap into. The trade finance, the tokenization, being enterprise friendly, being institutional friendly, having those big partnerships in the future, the speed, the efficiency, the technology, the energy consumption, everything in every area except the market cap, and Ethereum having that first mover advantage. Besides that, in every area, Ethereum does not reach the technology and innovation of XDC network. So period. XDC network is better than Ethereum. So this was it for this video. If you guys liked it, do make sure to subscribe the channel and share it with your friends and family. And if you're interested in any of these coins, we're going to be doing regular updates. We're going to be making regular videos in the future as well. So stay tuned. As we always say, until next time, stay blessed.